Okay, everyone, so what I'm going to be doing today is showing you how you are going to set up your conductivity probe. So you're going to need two things in addition to your computer. You're going to need this cardboard box. It says conductivity probe. They're found at the middle table. And you're also going to need to get this little corded thing that says Go Link on it. So if you look really closely, it says Go Link right there. Can you see it? You need to have this as well. So you need this, and you need the cardboard box that's filled with stuff. The first thing I want you to do is go up to your search, and I want you to search for Logger Pro. Okay, this is the program we're going to be using. So you're going to click it, and it opens up this program. So now what we're going to need to do is take our Go Link. Now you'll notice it has a USB port that you're going to need to plug into your computer. So we plug it in. Okay. Now, what I want you to do is carefully take the contents out of the cardboard box. So inside, you're going to find a conductivity probe, and it's going to have this guy at the end. This is what's going to conduct the electricity. And then you're going to have this, sort of looks like a phone jack. This is going to plug into your Go Link. So you want to take this white end, looks like a phone jack, has this little guy, and you want to push it into the Go Link, and you'll hear it click. Okay, so if you can't hear, click. So those two should click together. Now you should be noticing what you're seeing on the Logger Pro is now we have this conductivity reading down here. So this conductivity reading is tell us that right now there's really not a whole lot of electricity being conducted through the air, which makes sense because the air doesn't really have any ionic compounds. However, you want to go ahead and take out your sodium chloride solution. So this is also in your box. Now, upon taking this out, we know that sodium chloride, when dissolved in water, will conduct electricity. So this is a standard to show us whether or not this probe is working. So keep looking down in the corner here where it says conductivity. When you put this in here, you see how it shut up? Now we're at 1300. That's perfect. That's exactly where we want to be. So now you know that it works. If it didn't jump up like that when you put it into the solution, that means something is wrong with the probe. You have to let me know so I can get you a replacement. Now, taking care of the probes is really important because we have to use these all year and for many years to come. So after you've dipped this in your solutions and you've tested the conductivity, what you need to do is you need to go to a sink. So I'm right beside a sink, and you need a wash bottle that has water in it. And what you're going to do is you're literally, hope you can see this, you're going to rinse off the probe, and you're going to try to get all that salt water off of there as much as you can. And you should see the conductivity really drop because we're getting rid of that sodium solution. Okay, so that is what you need to know to set up your conductivity probe for this lab.